Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. A full stack web developer is a person who can develop both client and server technologies. He is aware of program or browser technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Some characters are reserved in HTML. Reserved characters in HTML must be replaced with character entities. If you use the less than or greater than sign in your text, the browser might mix them with text. Character entities are used to display reserved characters in HTML. A character entity looks like this. To display a less than, we must write non-breaking space. A commonly used entity in HTML is the non-breaking space. A non-breaking space is a space that will not break into a new line. Two words separated by a non-breaking space will stick together, not break into a new line. This is handy when breaking the word might be disruptive. Examples are: another common use of the non-breaking space is to prevent the browser from truncating spaces in HTML pages. If you write 10 spaces into your text, the browser will remove 9 of them. To add real spaces to your text, you can use the character entity. Some useful character entities are: HTML symbols. Symbols that are not present on your keyboard can also be added by using entities. HTML entities were described in previous chapter. Many mathematical, technical, and currency symbols are not present on a normal keyboard. To add such a symbol to an HTML page, you can use the entity name or entity number, a decimal or a hexadecimal reference for the symbol. For example, display the euro sign with an entity name, a decimal, and hexadecimal value will display as some mathematical symbols supported by HTML or emojis that can be used inside HTML. Emojis are characters from the UTF-8 character set. Emojis look like images or icons, but they are not. They are letters, characters from the UTF-8 Unicode character set. To display HTML page correctly, a web browser must know the character set used in the page. This is specified in the meta tag. UTF-8 characters. Many UTF characters cannot be typed on a keyboard, but they can always be displayed using numbers called entity numbers. For example, check out an example.